Hi everyone, so this is Aman. During my counseling sessions, I have been promising everyone that I will explain to you how to practice this conscious breathing meditation that I have been talking about. So let's get to it. Before I tell you how to do it, I want to explain what is this conscious breathing meditation all about. So in its essence, this conscious breathing meditation helps you to transcend this identity or this awareness that you have of simply being a body and a mind, or this gross physical thing, and helps you to move beyond and realize what you truly are. So once you have realized that, you are able to experience that power which animates your physical existence, and that is your true identity. When you have experienced that true identity, you realize that with that true identity comes infinite bliss and infinite joy, which you already have with you. So once you've done this meditation on a regular level, you will be able to practice this awareness all day long, and you will be able to access this power that I'm talking about, which is there with you at all times, which brings with it infinite joy, infinite peace, and infinite happiness. So let's get going. The simple thing that you need to do during this meditation is sit comfortably in whatever position you are happy with. You can even lie down, but it's preferable that you sit up straight so that you don't fall asleep. Now, all you need to do is simply close your eyes and bring your awareness gently to your abdomen and feel how it is going in and out. With 100% attention, just feel your abdomen going in and out. Don't make this a mental activity. Don't start thinking about it. Don't start visualizing your breath going in and out or anything else. Just fully feel it. And while you're feeling your breath going in and out with your abdomen moving, you are also observing this. You are simply feeling and observing at the same time. And when you are able to observe and witness, you transcend your mind as such. You cannot transcend your mind by thinking about it. You can only do this through certain practices, of which one is this conscious breathing meditation. So we are sitting here, and you may start with taking a few elongated breaths. Breathe in, you breathe out, and then you bring 100% alertness and awareness to your abdomen. Just feel it going in and out. Just observe. Just feel it fully and just observe. Refrain from putting any mental labels. If you find any thoughts coming to your mind, just realize that you have had a thought, and bring your awareness gently back to 100% feeling and observing. Practice this for as long as you can. Start with 5 minutes, move up to 10 minutes, then 15 minutes. Then you can do it for as long as you want. And once you have experienced this power, which brings with it infinite joy, infinite bliss, where you have transcended these physical sensations and your awareness that you are just this gross body, you will be able to do this throughout your day. While walking, talking, speaking, your roots will remain with your true awareness and your true power. And at that time, you will actually be able to do a much better job of everything that you are doing during your day. So practice this. If you have any questions or thoughts, you can leave them in the comments below. And if you'd like to stay updated with my next videos, please subscribe to this channel also. Thank you.